You're probably wondering why I'm in a bush right now. Or what am I talking about? You're not wondering why I'm in a bush right now because you read the title of the video. So in this video, we're going to be hiding in a bunch of different spots to see if hiding is still OP in 2024, 2025, whatever you want to call it. It's basically 2025. Okay, I'm gonna find a different bush because this bush is in zone. I'm not grabbing the chest. Hopefully I don't get shot on my way there. I would get some mats, but it's kind of not bush camping if you have like mats and stuff. So I think I'm gonna try to hide in this bush. It's quite big, so it might actually be really good to hide in. Yeah, no one's gonna see me. I'm actually gonna get this gun just in case because... And we have to move again. And I'm dead. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we're playing ranked. Okay, so for this round, I'm gonna land in what I think is the best camping spot this season. But I don't know. Tell me if you think that there's a better one. Because I just think this one's the best. And the spot's actually under here. So you just jump and then go in here. And no one can really see you. So we're in zone, so I'm gonna have to evacuate. Oh, wrong way. I don't know where I'm gonna hide, but I'll find somewhere, I guess. I think I'm gonna go for that car up there, and then just drive somewhere and hopefully find a good spot. It's purple, I like purple. Oh, that's cool, my hat sticks through the ceiling. So I think I'm just gonna hide here. It's a pretty good spot, I don't think anyone will see me. Are you kidding me? We're in zone again? Just as I got here? What is going on here? I did not know that these guys could be in the water. That's interesting. I think I'm just gonna hide here. Are you kidding me? I'm in zone again. I have to go a little bit more this way. Where will I go? Can I go in this car? Oh, I might be dead. Yeah, I'm cooked. There's another guy over here too. And someone shooting me from over there. I'm cooked. Wait. Maybe not? Oh no, the person's chasing me. Yep. Oh, no way, I'm almost platinum from that.